Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome on behalf of My Retired Life Foundation. And today is going to be a very interesting program, which is the second session in continuation to the earlier session. And that was we did a lot of exercises when sitting position. And that session was highly appreciated and taken up by our own Krishnavani Madam. So this is the second session to be taken by her. We request Krishnavani Madam to please take it over. Madam, please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for this opportunity. And friends, thanks a ton for coming for this session. We will go like this. Some of you had asked me about 2-3 doubts about the previous session that I'll clear fast and then go with the today's healing fingers session. Somebody had asked regarding the Tai Chi claps, which I will do. Some may know, but still, see, it is like closed fingers. You have to clap 1, 2, 3, and without separating the palms, you have to spread only the fingers. And again 1, 2, 3. Without separating the palms, make it a clasp. Then 1, 2, 3. That is the 3 set. Like this, you will have to do 3 times so that it becomes 9. Correct? So 1, 2, 3. Spread it 1, 2, 3. Turn it 1, 2, 3. It's like that. Because some people had asked. So I thought, let me clear that so that you'll get the full benefit. Like many other yoga people or anything, we know we have got a lot of meridians and acupressure points, whatsoever we call it Qigong points. So it's activated. It is also the source of our healthiness. Second, somebody had asked about dancing fingers. So we didn't dance sitting. So we had to make our fingers dance. It's like this. Without moving the other fingers, everybody can see, no?
Yes, we can see.
Okay. So it's like this. We have to do reaching the other this way. Then comes the middle finger. Then comes the index finger. Then it's a very easy thing, thumbs is. So we have to keep practicing, doing it faster and faster because it hits the places in the gaps between the fingers. That is also a healing technique. And regarding the 5 elements, I will see if at the end of the session, if there is time, again, I'll show you like massaging the 5 element finger. So today's part 2, we will start with, we are doing exercise for body, mind exercise, crosswords, anything else, so much we are doing. But mostly we use our hands for everything for our work and we neglect it. So for giving us this thing, strength for our healing, we'll start with the Qigong techniques. One is before starting the fingers or something, we will do 2 small exercise of Qigong. That is energy cultivation. All of us know that we have energy, plus there is an energy around us. So just try and never keep the palms fully open for this. Another exercise I'll tell you. Always keep it little, not too cupped also, little like, I think you can see me. It's not tight, it is not too loose. Like this. Then go expand in a very slow motion, not fast. Slowly try and expand. You may feel some sensation immediately, you may not, it's fine. But try and concentrate on your left palm center and right palm center when you are doing this. You can keep your eyes open, there is nothing wrong in that. Keep doing for a few more minutes so that your energy is cultivated, activated. See, when you keep it like this, you will feel as if some energy ball is in between your hands. Once you feel that, we can stop. Now, another thing which is new is we all have a point called as Lao Gao point. You don't need to be a Tai Chi master, Tai Chi practitioner or Qigong practitioner for this. When you fold your hands, where the middle finger reaches is called the Lao Gao point. So we will do activate that. If you can see my hands, I'm trying to hold it, but generally you should hold it near your heart. But I'm holding it a little higher so that you can see. So close, open 21 times. I will do the counting. You all need not do the counting. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. Like this, you have activated the Lauma point now. Some people may feel some little tingling sensation or something. We'll talk about it at the end. Now that we have activated this, we will do as any exercise or any dance or anything we do. Before that, we do a sort of warm-up. Now we will give our hands and fingers some warm-up exercises. I will put myself in a gallery view so that I can see you all. Yes. Take your hands like this. You can see me, or you want me to tilt the camera still? Okay. Forcefully open up your hands fully in front. Front, Anandji. Not up. In general practice, we have to do 20 times. I'll do only 10 times. 3 ho gaya apna. 4, 5, 6. Well done, Modi ji. 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. This is when you're opening up, you're putting out all the fingers flat. Otherwise, you're closing it. That is the first one. Now, a very simple one which we generally do. Touch the top of each finger with the thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do this forcefully also, but bear your capacity. Very. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In 12, it goes one round. Like you go further and repeat, reverse it. So like 12, if you do, it becomes one round. Like that, you do as much as you want, 5 rounds or something, just to activate the fingers. Even here on the tip of the point also, there are lots of meridians. Okay. Now, same what we did, but we will do different. This way, and then plump your hand like this. Yeah, exactly. Areva. 2, 3. I'll put up a soft Chinese music for you all. Wait. So that you can hear me also and enjoy the music also. सुनाई दे रहा है? नहीं? Wait a minute. I'll volume.
Little louder.
Yeah, I'll do it. I thought my voice should reach, no? So I thought it should not be too loud. 1 minute. Okay? 4 तक आए थे. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this was like give space to your wrists also.
Meena, reduce the music. और भी थोड़ा reduce कर दीजिए.
हाँ, वही
Music और थोड़ा
Sound
reduce
is earlier.
Your voice is not very clear.
This is okay.
No, it's very high.
Okay.
और थोड़ा सा कम कर दीजिए.
अभी कर दिया.
Without music, it was very nice. Without music, it was very nice.
Nice, but you know this is Qigong, तो Chinese इसके लिए थोड़ा Chinese music लगता है. तो background कर दिया, बहुत छोटा कर दिया. Okay.
अभी ठीक है.
Now take your palms in front, facing each other. Front. आनंद जी आप बहुत ऊपर ले रहे हैं कि मुझे दिख रहा है ऊपर. At your shoulder level. हाँ. And then turn it back like this. Turn करते हुए open up. नहीं, facing it is normal hands. Turn करते हुए open up. Open. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll have to curl our hands, not fist. थोड़ा curl कर लीजिए so that your fingertips reaches the base of their finger, the finger base. हाँ, ऐसे exactly. And when you open up, open fully. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. चलो एक एक्स्ट्रा कर दिया. So this was up to here, so that all the knuckle area तक वो bend होता है. That's why it gives this thing. Now again, make your hands face one another, and then bend अपना ये जो फाइनल है ना, एक टेबल टॉप कैसे दिखेगा वैसे bend it like a table top. Got it? हाँ. Then when you open up again, you open up fully. Then again table top, smaller hand. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. चलो डजन हो गया. मैं हमेशा 20 करती हूँ तो मेरे को वही याद है, इसके लिए मैं कंटिन्यू करती हूँ. Now you bend your fingers to reach the base of your palm. thumbs तो काम नहीं करेगा अभी, बोलेगा टेंगा. ओके, उसको खाली आप बेस में लाइए. And the same principle, open up big, बेस में लाओ छोटा कर. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shake off your hands. Shake कर दो, थोड़ा दुखेगा. किसी किसी को थोड़ा पाम पेन करता होगा. Now we come to main agenda of today. I will share screen. स्क्रीन दिखाऊंगी, मैं भी करके दिखाऊंगी. We will go ahead like that. एक बार स्क्रीन, एक बार मैं. ये क्यों हिल रहा है मेरा लैपटॉप? क्या है? This is the originally the system says it should be done each exercise 60 times and you can go up to 100. We will not be doing so much. नहीं तो सर मुझे बाहर भगा देंगे. We don't have so much time. And these are very helpful for strengthening internal organs as well as healing some of our ailments or uneasiness, whatever you call them. And we can do it sitting, we can do it standing. And New Mumbai people have got lot of greenery around them. जिसको उधर greenery में करो, that is the best way to do it. If you go to Hong Kong and all, you will see people standing in gardens and doing it. So you can do it that way also. But be relaxed whenever you are doing it. You don't have to काट नहीं बैठने का. Leave your body loose. अरे किधर से आया? एक मस्किटो आ गया है. And in between, one thing, you can always shake hands, relax also, but keep your whole body very, this thing. Now, let me see, sir has given me sharing rights. Yes. म्यूजिक सुनाई दे रहा है ना? गुड. Yeah. See, this is what I wanted to show you. What is the Laogai point? First, palms facing each other, we activated. This is the Laogai point. And what we did, energy cultivation was like this. See how hands are neither cup nor big. It's like little curved. That's all. A very slight curve. Now what we are doing is called as 10 fingers massaging. They help to improve health and strengthen internal organs and prevent some illnesses. So first is what we are doing is, when you make a fist, there is a space between index finger and thumb. You'll try? Yes. स्वप्ना जी बराबर. तो इंडेक्स फिंगर और थंब के बीच में जो गैप है, we say massage, it is basically hitting. Can you see my hands there? We have to keep hitting. It can massage, but hit it only to the point you can manage, okay? Hit it. We will do it 15 times each exercise because there are only 10. Time hai apne paas. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 करेंगे. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. ये हम लोग जो फेशियल करने जाते हैं, it relaxes the face and it is good for our face this thing. Although we are doing it between fingers and thumb, that is the gap where our face this thing is there. Second one, you all know na फूल कैसे होता है? Yeah. So that time what our wrist का line and this line, इसका कौन है? Wrist का line और this line touches, correct? So उसको hit करना है. It strengthens the heart and heals it too. वो इधर रखना है actually. I am keeping it because I thought you may not be able. Where I am holding in the presentation, it should be like that. हार्ट के सामने रख के हिट करना है. दुखेगा थोड़ा, जितना बेरेबल है बैर खींचिएगा. ओके. नाउ सर है तो हेडेक होगा ही ना. And when we go to temple, church or even masjid, what we do is seeking hands. कुछ पूछते हैं तो ऐसे करते हैं ना, प्लीज दे दो भगवान. हाँ, it's called seeking hands. And at the end of the little finger and the palm end and this, we have to hit 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Actually, we have to do minimum 60 times. Okay? उधर लिखा भी है नीचे 60 to 100 times. हाँ. Then again there is a gap between ये जो index finger और thumb है ना, कभी कैसे किया था फिस्ट में गैप सर्कुलर था. इस पे क्या है? It is in this space. ऐसे रखेंगे तो L आता है ना. So उधर दोनों 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. अभी दूसरा 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It helps to reduce the headache and toothache. Rane is trying to read because they are little lighter, I know. Okay, Chinese इसमें से कॉपी किया तो ऐसे ही हुआ. Now हम लोग कहीं भी बाहर जाके बहुत वजन उठा के आते हैं या बहुत थक के आते हैं तो we are quite tired and exhausted. And this is God's given is automatic. तभी भी हम लोग ऐसे ही करते हैं ना generally also. But here it is massage. तो पूरा और both the hands entangle करके ऐसे करना है. स्वप्ना जी, हाँ right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. ऐसे 60 टाइम्स कीजिएगा. शायद रिंग बिंग होगा तो संभालो. Now, very important which we said, the internal organs के लिए opening left palm. Okay, पहले ये करने का. Keep it like this. Then make a fist of the right hand and hit the palm. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What happens is the whole palm will start tingling and the internal organs connected with it also gets strengthened. Now, दूसरी हाथ, repeat. Yeah. It is this, you all can see my hand now. गुस्सा या दूसरे को पंच मत करो, खुद को करो. हीलिंग भी मिलेगा और गुस्सा भी निकल जाएगा. This is good for many people. I do this so control में है. जिसको नहीं है वो प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं, जिसको है वो हील हो जाएगा. Along with many other things. First and foremost, this is supplementary therapies only. So now I keep this hand like this. Then I take the other hand and back to back, keep hitting. Now reverse. Give me a minute, I'll have little water. एक सिप पी लेती हूँ. Yesterday we went for a heritage walk. उसमें पानी मिला.
Veena, please put the music off ना. म्यूजिक निकाल दो.
ऑफ में अच्छा नहीं लगता है नित्या.
ये आपका आवाज आता नहीं ना बराबर.
वॉल्यूम लो करो. Okay? Yes.
Veena, your voice is better than music.
नहीं, but that music, we do everything with that music only. It's okay. I'll try and talk loudly. अभी इतना थोड़ा तो रहने दो, ठीक है? I'll keep my this thing here. हाँ. So this was for sugar control. No, सबका आंखें, especially now with.
मैडम आपका म्यूजिक बहुत ज्यादा है.
Okay, I'll put it off. Give me a minute.
बहुत ज्यादा है.
You can hear me?
या
1 minute.
Bluetooth mode. FM mode.
1 second.
Bluetooth mode.
how to reduce this? 1 minute, my Bluetooth speaker I have to reduce.
AUX mode.
Okay now?
Now it's better.
Okay. So what is the ninth movement is, two movements are mixed in this ninth. I'll just have to remove my specs also. Rub the palms till you get it warm. रानी जी तो एकदम पहले से है. And then give warmth to your eyes, because you'll have to cup it in such a way your eyes gets covered, including the eyebrows. Like head के forehead तक जाता है ना हाथ, वैसे. And do it 3 times at least. ये होने के बाद आपको मिडिल फिंगर से इनहेल एक्सेल 3 times करना है. Exhale. Exhale. Got it? Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So it clears the sinus area, plus it gives power to the eyes also. Brighter.
मैडम इसको डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट करेंगे जरा पर्सनली?
हाँ, मैं कर ही रही हूँ साइड में. आप स्पॉटलाइट में मुझे देख सकते हो. सी, rub your fingers, cup your eyes 3 times like that, and then middle finger लेके. अच्छा, मैं प्रेजेंटेशन से बाहर आऊं, मैं फिर से बाद में करके दिखाती हूँ. एनी डाउट?
नो मैडम, इट्स ऑल राइट. प्लीज
नहीं नहीं नहीं, मिडिल फिंगर को ऊपर लीजिए नाक से आईब्रोज जॉइनिंग तक, एंड देन एक्सेल. इनहेल एक्सेल 3 times कीजिए. खत्म होगा. वील हैव टाइम, डोंट वरी. नाउ इज द मेन थिंग. मुझे खुद को पनिशमेंट देना है अभी. एंड these are wait and do, hear everything properly, because don't do too much. Ladies with earrings, I didn't wear only because I have to demonstrate. Be careful with your ears, but start from top. See, you have to pinch your ears, pull outside like this. Maybe I will remove this thing. Presentation, 1 minute. I will put stop share. Then go later again. Now you can start from top, pull, 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 pull. नीचे का ज्यादा pull. It could pain, it could be hot. ये करने से भी it's very very good for the systems. अरे वाह, सोना जी हंस रही है. Now I'll share again. But I had something for you all. When to do? You will ask question, no? इसके लिए.
मैडम कान पकड़ के उठक बैठक मारने को बोलो.
वो अलग है. That is for memory. I will do it. That is what standing, लेकिन not like that. ये कान खींचने से कोल्ड तक क्लियर होता है. And see, I can feel warmth and गर्म हवा आ रही है. बराबर किया तो, right? ये क्यों आगे नहीं बढ़ रहा है? वो अभी कान खींच के ही रहने को बोलते हैं. हाँ, some people may want to know when to do. So the best time to do is, although it is early morning, we can do it any time, but before breakfast or half an hour after breakfast or anything you can do. Afternoon also, whenever you're sitting, आप टीवी के सामने बैठे हो, half an hour 40 minutes लंच के बाद भी चलेगा. बट सोने से पहले दिस पर्टिकुलर नहीं कीजिएगा, क्योंकि this creates energy. So you may be hyper, you won't be able to sleep, or you may be so cooled, you will doze off doing half the way through. उसके लिए अलग है, मैं प्रेजेंटेशन के बाद बता देती हूँ आपको. अभी स्टॉप शेयरिंग. हाँ, सो सोने से पहले किसी को भी अगर बाय चांस नींद नहीं आती है इजीली, तो बहुत सारा टिप्स तो बहुत लोग दिए हुए हैं, 1 to 100, 100 to 1, पानी पियो, कुछ तो बोलो, कुछ तो करो, बट दिस इज कॉल्ड अ स्मॉल वेव. आप हाथ ना लूज छोड़ना, पूरा शोल्डर से लेके टेक इट अप टिल हेड, नॉट वेरी मच अप चंद्रकांत जी. हाँ बस, एंड देन सामने से नीचे लाइए. हाँ, स्लो. एंड qigong is not exercise or zumba. It has to be like a slow dance.
ये बेड पे सोते सोते करना है ना?
बैठ के करके सो जाओ, मस्त नींद आएगा. सोते सोते नहीं. ये देखो, इसको ऊपर करते हैं, then softly come down. ऊपर करो, softly come down. ऊपर करो, softly come down. Then अभी सोना मत, बस करते हैं फिर. So ऐसे there are lot of small tips. I have not done teachers course, so I can do only certain things. But पूरा का पूरा teachers course जो किए masters, I'm not a master Sifu. I'm a practitioner. So whatever within that limit, what I can tell, I will share with people. So
मैडम इसमें एडिशनली चंद्र नाड़ी कर सकते हैं
क्या?
चंद्र नाड़ी ब्रीदिंग.
Don't mix yoga, pranayam with qigong. Both are totally different. वो करते हुए वो करना, ये करते हुए ये करना, both are good, no doubt. Don't mix up. That's it. अभी तो आई थिंक tai chi claps में किसी को डाउट नहीं आएगा ना? Am I right? और अभी एक छोटा सा मेडिटेशन करेंगे, only for, it's actually 5 minutes only. I think last time I did, I am not too sure. Anything you do, you have to cool down. Now you have got lot of energy, no? It is called as finger movement meditation. So thumb का और index finger को पहले join करो and keep it on your lap. And wherever you are comfortable to keep it, ऐसे पकड़ो, कुछ भी चलेगा. Relax your body and you don't bother, close your eyes. I will say next, so you take it to the middle finger. When I say again next, take it to the ring finger. When I say next, take it to the little finger. And little finger होने के बाद take it all these 5 near your heart. Like this. You can see, no? हाँ. So we will start. उसके लिए तो मैं थोड़ा म्यूजिक रखती हूँ, नहीं तो you will not. बहुत कम आवाज में रखती हूँ. Because I only have to say next, nothing else. ये अभी प्ले करने रहा है. 1 second.
Bluetooth mode. FM mode.
ये आगे चला जाता है.
Bluetooth mode. FM mode. Bluetooth mode. AUX mode.
Yes, boss, you're right. Yeah. Now close your eyes. Keep the Jnana Mudra, thumbs and index finger, and close your eyes. As per the time, I will say next. Just concentrate on your breath. No visualization, nothing you have to do. Next. Next. Next, that's a little finger. Next, all the fingers together in front of chest. Without opening your eyes, clap your hands, जोर से, rub, cup your eyes, don't open immediately, spread your fingers. हमेशा whenever we close the eyes and open, spread the fingers and see the light. You have to spread the fingers and see the light like this. And you can spread it in your face anywhere you want. और ये तो याद है ना सबको, लास्ट टाइम जो भी अटेंड किए उनको, द मसाजिंग फिंगर्स, याद है, वो तो याद है. Like sharpening the pencil in both the hands, that's all. And the first warm-up exercise for fingers which we did actually helps in, some people are not steady in signatures, right? तकलीफ होती है, उसको भी हेल्प करता है. एंड फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, क्योंकि ये मोस्टली वो जो आर्थराइटिस होता है और डिफिकल्टीज होता है वो इधर से शुरू होता है, कड़क होने का वगैरह. तो दिस व्हाट वी डिड टुडे not only heals internal organs, plus it gives flexibility to hands as well as handwriting में easy पड़ता है. Some people do have और बैंक से चेक वापस भी आता है सिग्नेचर डिफॉल्ट करके, तो it helps in that and it is common. Actually abroad they use this plus more exercises even for Parkinson's people. I have been volunteering whenever I go there. So some of these I learned from there only. They have lot of these things, facilities. I wish we also here had all those facilities, but जो है उसमें से चलाना. Anybody wants to ask anything or it was
Yeah.
a easy doubt तो होगा ही.
Yeah, Veena, I want to ask you something.
बोलो ना.
म्यूजिक कम. हाँ, और अभी जो
बंद ही कर देती हूँ, अभी बंद ही कर देती हूँ.
नहीं, अभी लास्ट में जो बताए वो जरा एक बार बता दीजिए ना.
एक मिनट, म्यूजिक पूरा ही बंद किया मैंने. कौन सा है क्या?
अभी लास्ट में जो ऐसा करने का बोला था ना, अंक में बाद में, लाइक आफ्टर.
See, what we do is generally ये हुआ, हम लोग ये करते रखते हैं और खोल देते हैं. It's not. What we have been taught is rub, palm रखो ऐसे,
हाँ,
and then spread the fingers.
ओके
That's what.
ओके.
People say blink and then open. वैसे I've been
हाँ.
to do spread the fingers and open.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. But that's it.
And this finger movement you can do every day. It becomes only 5 minutes for each finger. You have to
Yes.
make breath और कुछ नहीं है, कहीं भी बैठ के कर सकते हैं.
Okay. Yeah.
These are all very
Thank you.
easy and small day-to-day this thing. Even the small way which we do, मस्त नींद आ जाता है उससे भी.
मैडम,
या मोदी,
ये वाला जरा फिर से क्या ऐसे दोनों को उल्टा करके ऐसे क्या था?
आपका वीडियो नहीं है?
हाँ, ये
हाँ, कौन सा वाला? हाँ, see, this is my back of my palm, right?
यस.
मेरा हाथ दिख रहा है ना? I'm spotlighted, I think.
हाँ, कर.
तो
हाँ, ठीक.
दूसरा हाथ भी उल्टा रखने का, palm facing up. Okay, फिर go on hitting it.
ओके. नाउ आई अंडरस्टैंड.
हाँ, फिर ये करके go on hitting it.
अच्छा.
So ये थोड़ा स्वीट खाने का मन हुआ, हम लोग ने स्वीट खा लिया, तो कर लो फटाफट. That's it.
ये किया, उसके बाद आपने कहा फिर पलट करके करने का.
दूसरी हाथ का भी इधर से इधर, वो भी बैक, राइट का बैक, लेफ्ट का बैक,
अच्छा.
और कुछ नहीं.
हाँ, यस. नाउ आई अंडरस्टैंड.
हाँ,
ओके.
तो क्या होता है कि आई हैव अ स्वीट टूथ. आई एम नॉट टू डायबिटिक, आई हैव रिसेंटली लिटिल बिट डायबिटिक. वो भी नो कंडीशन, इट इज अ कंडीशन. आई डोंट हैव अ डिसीज.
बिना डायबिटिक नहीं तो भी कर सकता है क्या ये?
यस, तुम्हारा शुगर लेवल, एनर्जी सब ये रहेगा, बट ज्यादा मत करो. जिसको शुगर है वो बहुत करेगा तो अच्छा है. 60,
ओके.
100.
या ओके.
Some people energetic like चंद्रकांत जी कुछ भी वो करते रहने का. And what else? Anything? That's everything you can do sitting only. That is more important. You don't have to stand. और क्या सुरेखा कुछ बोल रही है? You are muted.
मैडम,
हाँ जी.
बहुत
कुछ
अच्छा है.
आपने बताया करने के लिए.
हाँ.
फिर रामदेव बाबा बताते हैं योगा प्राणायाम करने के लिए. फिर एक और कोई आए थे इस पे. आखिर हम लोग कंफ्यूज रहते हैं, क्या करें
एक
क्या
मिनट,
करें नहीं करें.
आप बफे में जाते हो, some people have the bad habit of putting everything and filling in their
cocktail.
वो नहीं करने का. आपको जो चाहिए, you have the choice, and what you like and enjoy you must do, so that you get the benefit out of it. Just because everybody is telling everything, you don't have to do, but always knowledge is good. जो हम लोग को
Yes,
बड़ा प्लेटर में सब कुछ वैरायटी मिल रहा है, उसमें से फॉर एग्जाम्पल आज का जितना किया वो आपको नहीं करना है. एक फिंगर मूवमेंट तो कर सकते हैं उसमें से सब लोग, कभी भी 5 मिनट तो अपने आप के लिए शांति मिल सकता है उसमें. सो जो अच्छा लगे, जो फुर्सत में करने को मिले, फुर्सत मिले, मन को बेनिफिट मिलता है. यू विल नो डू समथिंग कंटिन्यूअसली फॉर सम डेज, यू विल नो विच इज बेनिफिटिंग यू ऑल्सो. मार्केट में बहुत कुछ अवेलेबल है, जो मुझे सूट होता है वही मैं लूंगी ना.
वीना, जो एक्सरसाइज बताया नींद के लिए, वो नींद आता है क्या उससे?
हाँ आता है, बहुत आता है.
मैंने आप बहुत अच्छे सो जाते हैं आप, योर स्लीप.
मुझे तो टचवुड नींद आ जाती है.
एक बार वो एक्सरसाइज बता दो तो.
Yeah,
जाके वही जैसा है,
Samta, I'm also
डांस मूवमेंट जैसा है ये ना.
हाँ, what I did is a mix. See, Tai Chi, dance movement therapy, both are mind body connected thing. That is why I am into both. Like mind body connection की वजह से ये सब disharmony भी होता है, harmony भी ला सकते हैं. It is, and Tai Chi and Qigong is a slow dance, you can say. You can't do like this, then I'll be more tired. I have to do it very slowly. थोड़ा भी पास करेंगे तो हमारे सर बोलते हैं एकदम नहीं करने का, एकदम ऐसे स्लो.
कितने टाइम करने का?
You know,
पर हाउ मच पीरियड? 5 मिनट्स?
मैडम,
there is no specific time. थोड़ा करते करते ही नींद आएगा तो छोड़
नींद
दे,
आने तक.
नहीं तो अपने आप आएगा तो सो जाओ, टायर्ड हाथ करेगा तो सो जाओ. एक्चुअली इवन दिस यू नो यू कैन डू. मोदी जी कभी भी कर सकते हो. एनर्जी, एनर्जाइजिंग. जस्ट गिव मी अ मिनट, आई जस्ट चेक.
अरे उनकी आवाज नहीं
Okay. There was nobody. Somebody bell मार के चले गए.
it is mine.
अच्छा.
Mine was not mute actually. Sorry. Madam, this aerobics also have the same effect.
हाँ जी.
Aerobics.
Aerobics is very fast.
Very fast.
Very
You
fast.
don't suggest for senior citizens.
So your heart should be good, your muscles and everything, knees should be strong. Otherwise, you can't do all that. Some of us, not that all of us are not able to do it. And all of us have some knee problem. All of us have, some of us may be having heart issues also. So aerobics for seniors is less this thing. करते हैं modify करके. But हाँ जी नहीं, नवीन जी मैं फोन करती हूँ तो उठाते नहीं हो, अभी हाथ उठाते हो, बोलो.
अगर बहुत नींद आती हो और नींद नहीं आवे तो क्या करना? 90% को तो नींद नहीं आ रही.
एनर्जी
मुझे नींद ही आती
बहुत
रहती है.
एनर्जी होगा, आप सो भी नहीं पाओगे. एनर्जी कल्टीवेशन.
ओके, थैंक यू मैडम.
मैडम,
हाँ
सुबह जैसे रामदेव का कर लिया,
हाँ.
उसके बाद दोपहर वगैरह में ये कर सकते हैं दोनों एट ए डिफरेंट टाइम.
Yes. I showed you know who can do, when can do. Anybody from child to big person can do this. बैठे बैठे कर सकते हैं, इसीलिए sick people can also do this. We can do this. दोपहर को कर सकते हैं. Only full stomach नहीं रहे उतना देख लीजिएगा. That's all.
जी.
ऐसा नहीं कि खाली पेट करना है, सुबह सुबह करना है. Nothing like that. This can be done anytime, afternoon also at your convenience, evening also. ऐसा कुछ ये नहीं है इसमें. हाँ.
Once in a day. How many times in a day? Once in a day. Total.
Yeah. Once a day. Yes, नवीन जी.
हाँ, भूख, ये सब एक्सरसाइज के बाद भूख लग जाती है, उसका क्या उपाय है?
उपाय क्या है? भूख तो अपने को कंट्रोल, जो भी करना है वो करना ही है. इतना नहीं खा सकते, अभी इतना खाएंगे. किसने बोला खाने का नहीं है?
नहीं, ऑफन हम लोग को भूख लग जाती है, इसलिए खाते ही रहते हैं सारा दिन, इसलिए वो बंद करने.
ऑफन नहीं है.
इसलिए
ये
मोटे हो गए हम लोग
बात
इतने।
often नहीं होता है. We have to have a steady time of lunch, dinner, snacks and this thing. Particular time में क्या बोलते हैं रानी जी? रानी freeze हो गए क्या? नहीं.
Veena ji, I wanted to ask, is craving for eating sweet
हाँ.
is a sign of diabetes?
I am not an authority on diabetics, so I don't think I'll be able to answer this. But
Okay.
बोलते